In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat's camera zoom problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, it's actually very simple to fix. Let's say I open my Snapchat camera now, and right now it's normal, but let's say in different conditions, it's zooming in for you too much or anything like that. There's a few different things you're going to want to go ahead and do. The first thing is go over to the top left where you're going to see your profile icon, so click on that. And then from here, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is on the top right, click on the settings icon. So I'm just going to click on that right now. And I'm going to see a lot of different things here. So all I want to do is scroll down and I'm going to see my privacy and data. Go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to basically see a lot more options, but I want to go to the second option, which is clear data. So click on that and I'm going to see a lot here. And then all I want to do is go ahead and clear the lenses because sometimes lenses bug out. I can also press clear cache and it says all your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart. Your memories backup won't be deleted, so don't worry about that as well. Once you've gone ahead and done that, you can go out of it. And then if you're on iPhone or Android, what you want to do is go to your settings, go over, like on Android, go over to your apps area, find Snapchat and then clear the cache. And if you're on iPhone, go to general, go to iPhone storage and then find Snapchat this way and then offload the app. Once you offload the app, open it again and that's going to properly clear the internal cache and then your Snapchat camera should be working properly. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.